Hello dear students, once again please do welcome to this video show. After studying the introductory aspects regarding the first unit of corporate accounting, now we shall continue the study related to the contents of first unit. Of course, we must know the meaning of share capital, and accounting for share capital before moving to other areas of knowledge. Share or shares. We generally use share capital, etc. etc. What is share? Share is a part of value of a company's capital. Therefore, share is an unit of value of a company, and capital is the contribution made by various shareholders, and it is the ownership fund of the organization. And therefore, a share is an unit of value of a company. And capital related to shares is known as share capital. Therefore, share capital is the book value of shares held by a company. And the accountant must know the accounting procedure related to share capital, meaning to say how shares are to be issued, what is the procedure, practice, and what are the stages involved in the issue of shares, etc. etc. And he must possess the knowledge of accounting for issue of shares. And therefore, accounting for share capital is the total accounting process related to the share capital of a company. And there are many types of shares. Deferred or founder shares, and these shares are the shares subscribed by promoters of the company, that is ಫೌಂಡರ್ಸ್. ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಕಂಪನಿಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದಂಥವರು ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಷೇರುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಖರೀದಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಆ ಥರ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಡೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಫೌಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಫೌಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಮೋಟರ್ಸ್. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಅವರು ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಆರ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಜನರಲಿ we use the terminology equity shares, and equity shareholders, all are equity shareholders. Of course, deferred or founders shares, they are also equity shares, but they are these shares are issued to founders or promoters. Therefore, they are called as deferred shares. And equity shares are those shares held by other than promoters. Shares issued to promoters are called as founders share or deferred shares, and shares issued to other shareholders, they are called as equity shares. And another category of shares, preferential shares or preference shares. They are the shares with preferential right. Preferential right so far as concerned with right to dividend, and right in case of priority just because of liquidation of an organization. Therefore, preference shares are those shares with preferential right on profit at fixed rate of dividend and also liquidation settlements. At the time of closure of the organization, closure of the company, the official assignee or liquidator has to pay preferential shareholders before going to pay equity shareholders and deferred deferred equity shareholders. Therefore, preferential shares are those shares with preferential right so far as profit is concerned and as well as liquidation settlements are concerned. And in fact, they are having the priority, the preference over other shareholders. Therefore, these shareholders are called as preferential shareholders and the shares are called as preference shares. And there is one more category, one more type of shares with different differential rights. Of course, shareholders are owners of the organization and they are having many rights, particularly voting right. The shareholders can participate in a general body meeting. They can compete for the post of directorship and they can vote. And voting right is the most important feature of any shareholders. They are real owners of the organization. However, right to vote may differ from one shareholder to another shareholder. If the company's rules and regulations permit, then these shares can be issued to the shareholders and having these shares, a shareholder having different voting right comparing to others.